Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha here. See, this is our trigonometric identities 21th unit. So this is some from concise book, okay ma? Exercise 21C and question number 7. Find the value of x if you have. So 7 subdivisions I think, but I'm going to do only 5 subdivisions in this video. Okay, so now go to the sum. So before doing this type of sum, you can write the values. Okay, so if you write your values, then this sum will be the easiest one. See, sine 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. So sine, cos, tan. So if you write all the thetas values, this will be a easy one. Okay, so I think you have to memory or you can write with the sum. Okay, so first sum, sin x is equal to sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30. Okay, so just substitute the value. Okay, sin 60 this is root 3 by 2, cos 30 that is root 3 by 2 minus cos 30 that is 1 by 2 and sin 30 that is also 1 by 2. Okay, so when you multiply root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4 minus 1 and 2 2s are 4. So it's just subtract, we get a value half 1 by 2. So the half, the question is sin x. So when the value get 1 by 2 sin theta. So see sin theta when it is 1 by 2, yes it is sin 30. So you can write sin 30. So x in the place of 30 degree. So the value of x is 30 degree. Okay. Now go to the second option. Second question is similarly sin x is equal to sin 60 degree cos 30 plus cos 60 and sin 30 degree. Okay, so substitute the value. I think this is the same value. Oh, so sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 that is 1 by 2 sin 30 that is also 1 by 2. Okay students, so root 3's are root 3 into root 3. Okay, that is 3, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 plus 4. So 4 by 4. So we get 1. So sin x is equal to 1. Sin x is equal to 1 when sin gets the value 1, when 90 degree, when sin is 90 degree, this value will be 1. So what is the x value? X value is, yes, 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree. Okay students, okay, now go to the third sum. So I'm taking a paper, 3 more sums to do. So let's do. Okay, so what is the third sum? Cos x is equal to cos 60 cos 30 degree. Okay, minus sin 60 and sin 30. Okay, so third subdivision, cos x is equal to cos 60 degree and cos 30 degree. Okay, minus sin 60 degree and sin 30 degree. Okay, substitute the value for this. So cos 60, what is the value for cos 60? What is the value for cos 60? It is 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 and cos 30. So what is your cos 30? Root 3 by 2 minus sin 60. So what is the value for sin 60? Root 3 by 2 into sin 30. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. So just multiply, will get 1 root 3. So root 3, 2 2's are 4 minus, so is root 3 by 4. So we get 0. Value is 0. Okay, see when cos is 0. When cos 0, yes, when cos is theta is 90 degree, cos value will be 0. So we have to write, yes, what is it to be, right? Cos 90 degree. So here cos x equal to cos 90 degree. So the theta value is, what is our theta value? Yes, x. So that is x is equal to 90 degree. Okay students, do you understand? Yes. So now go to the fourth one. So these are all 2 mark sums only at MCQ. These questions all comes under MCQs or 2 mark sums. Okay, so very simplest sum. So now go to the fourth one. So that is cos 2x minus 6 equal to cos square 30 minus cos square 60. So cos 2x minus 6 degree equal to cos square 30 minus cos square 60 degree. Okay ma. So what is the value of cos 30? See, it's root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2, we should not forget to give the square. So the value square. Okay, so the last sum we didn't get the square, but in this question the square is there. So you should not forget to give this square to this value. Okay, minus. So then cos square 60 degree. So what is the value for cos 60? See, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, again it is square. See, this is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So we get 2 by 4. So we get 1 by 2. Okay students, so this is 1 by 2. Okay, see, here it is cos. Okay, so 1 by 2, when cos is 1 by 2. See, cos, this is 1 root 3 by 2. So cos 1 by 2. Cos, when the theta is 60 degree, the value of cos is 1 by 2. Okay, so this is to be written, how should write? Cos 60 degree. Do you understand ma in this step? So cos half. Why you are seeing the cos? Because we have a question. Okay, so in this question you have cos theta. So you have to see cos theta when get half. So when cos 60 degree, the value is 1 by 2. Theta is 60 degree, it is 1 by 2. Okay, so what is in the place of C? You just write here, that is cos 2x minus 6 degree. Okay, so in the place of degrees, what is 2 equal? 2x minus 6 degree is equal to 60. Okay, these are equal. Okay, so 2x is equal to 60 plus 6. So x is equal to 66 divided by 2. So if we cancel, we get 33 degrees. So x is equal to 33 degrees. Okay students, do you understand this sum? Yes, 2x minus 6 is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so okay, now go to the fourth sum. So this is 7th sum, sorry ma. This is 7th one and we are going to do the 4th sum. So what is the sum? That is tan 60 minus tan 30. It is equal to tan x is equal to. So tan x is equal to tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan 60 into tan 30. If you know the values well, this sum is a very easy one. Okay, tan 60 minus tan 30. See, whenever tan degree 60 and 30, we get confused to write root 3 comes numerator as the denominator. Okay, so how will you remember that? This is 3. Okay, so when 30 degree, it is 3. So this relation comes root 3 by as denominator. Okay, 3 tan 30. Okay, so when 30 degree comes, the denominator goes under this relation. When 60 degree comes, it comes straight. Okay, so the relations are coming under. These are opposite. Okay, so you have to remember 3 comes denominator. Okay, numerator, if it is numerator in 3 is in the numerator, you get your 3 as denominator. Okay, see tan 60's value is root 3. So root 3 minus, this is 1 by root 3, this is by 1. Okay, by 1 plus again this is root 3 and this is 1 by root 3. Okay, so just we have substitute the values. Okay, so this is cross multiplication. So root 3 into 3 minus 1 by root 3. Okay, divided by, see, you can cancel root 3. Okay, so 1 plus 1, that is 2, and this is 2 by root 3. This is 2 by 1. Okay, so we get reciprocal by reciprocal. Many students commit a mistake here. So this is very simple, nothing is difficult. So 2 by root 3, just take a reciprocal, that is 1 by 2. Just you cancel, that is 1 by root 3. So when 1 by root 3 means, what is that? Tan 60, 30 degree. Okay, so tan x is equal to tan 30 degree. So the value of x is, what is the value? That is 30 degree. So x is 30 degree. Okay, so that's all the sum. Okay, so we have done 5 sums, 5 subdivisions in this video. I hope you all understand. So this sum is just directly substituting the values in the place of degrees. But if you memorize the values, this sum is the very easiest. And after substituting, you have some calculations. Okay, students. So what are the calculation? Addition, subtraction, squaring. Here square is there, here is not square, but you have to take LCM. So these are the thing only, but you will get your answer as easily as. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, thank you dear.